It's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I am back with another video.
Hey!
Okay, so this is the Wicked Witch of the West, the Wicked Witch of the West, the Wicked Witch, the baddest witch, the baddest witch. Nah, let me stop being silly. Okay guys, so I turned myself into a Wicked Witch or whatever. I could have been the witch from Wicked, the witch from Dorothy of Oz. Wow, that's not the name of the movie. The Wizard of Oz and all that goodness. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Kiss the notification so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Don't know why I'm so aggressive. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. Okay, so my face is completely primed. I went ahead and I added my No Pore Bloom Poreless Primer, like I always do, and I added it with this. So now I'm going to start with my base. We're gonna mix my CC Beauty, the color green, and some LA Girl white pigment foundation. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm tired of painting myself. This looks like a mud mask or like a clay mask or something, like a green like cleaning mask. I want it to be a bit greener than this, but when I'm done, we'll fix it. I think that's a good amount, but whatever I don't do, I can always go back in and fix. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab a palette that has a matte green in it, and I'm just going to start to set out this paint. So I'm going in my James Charles palette, and I'm actually going to use the darker green, and I'm hoping that it makes the whole face just a little bit darker, because I just feel like I look like a cucumber man. Going to set my face. Go back in my CC Beauty palette, and I'm just grabbing some white, and I'm going to put it in one of these little small rings, sectionals, whatever the hell you want to call it, and I'm just going to mix this together to do my highlight with some white pigment. Okay, so now that I've set my highlight, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do my brows, and I'm probably gonna do one on my eyes, and then I'll come back and show you how I did the other eye, because I'm not sure exactly how I want the eye to look. So we'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I did this eye, and now I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna use my Voss Essentials palette, excuse me. And we're going to go in with sand, terracotta, cinnamon, black, and the emerald, okay? we're gonna dust off this setting powder. So after that, I'm gonna go back in with my Violet Voss palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit of contour with that black that I used on my eyeshadow. I'm gonna actually go in with this smaller angle brush just to see if I like the black, and then I'll build on it. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Now I'm gonna go on my Half Moon blush from Sister Cosmetics. It's like very red, and brown. I'm gonna mix the two to give like a nice rosy kind of on top of the green. I'm just gonna pack it in because I can't swipe. Then we're gonna go in with some highlight with my Tarte Rainforest palette. And I'm gonna use that like whitish color. We're gonna use a few of these. It's two top ones right here. I'm just gonna okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and do my eyelashes. We are going to do top and bottoms for this look, and then we'll come back to finish my lips. Alright you guys, so I actually went ahead, changed my shirt, put on some little jazzy, did my lashes, honey child. And now we're going to, I'm lining my lips. And I'm trying to cover all the green. I've been using this lip all freaking season because it just stays in front of me. This is my Dose of Colors Kiss of Fire. Pop off our headscarf, which I probably have like a line of brown, which I do. But honestly, I don't want to get this green on my lace. I already got some of it on my hair. So I'm just gonna like kind of comb it out with my fingers. I'm trying to keep it away from my skin. And for the finishing touch, I'm gonna hold y'all when y'all see these pictures. I'm definitely editing my hand green because I'm not painting my hands. I think that's a witch lash.